Imagine waking up every day and breathing air that could slowly harm your lungs and your health without you even realizing it. For many people living in Imperial Valley, this is not just a possibility, it's their daily reality. Air pollution is a serious issue in our community and it affects not only the environment but also our health and quality of life. According to Encyclopedia Britannica, air pollution consists of harmful substances that air can damage human health over time. These pollutants are often visible, which makes the problem even more dangerous because we may not realize the long-term effects until it is too late. One of the main causes of air pollution in our region is the Salton Sea. As this body of waters continue to dry up, expose large areas of lake bed that release toxic dust into the air. According to the Washington Post, this dust spreads into nearby communities, increasing pollution levels and exposing residents to harmful particles. In addition, research from ProPublica shows that this dust may contain dangerous chemicals that can affect human health. Agricultural activities in Imperial Valley also contribute to air pollution through dust and chemical use and vehicle emissions, and even more pollution into the air. Together, these factors create a serious environmental problem. Now, let's talk about how this affects people. Poor air quality has indirect impact in public health. A study published in Environmental Health Perspectives found that residents in Imperial Valley experience higher rates of asthma and respiratory illnesses compared to other regions. This is especially concerning for children and older adults who are most vulnerable to air pollution. Furthermore, according to the California Air Resources Board, long-term exposure to polluted air can lead to serious health problems such as heart disease, and reduced lung function. This means that air pollution is just not an environmental issue; it's a public health crisis that affects families, schools, and the entire community. The good news is that there are solutions. One important step is increasing government funding to control dust around the Salton Sea area and restore affected areas. By reducing the amount of harmful dust in the air. Another solution is implementing stricter regulations in agricultural emissions and encouraging clear practices. This can help reduce the amount of pollution releasing in the air. Community awareness is also important. Educating people about air quality and how to protect themselves, such as staying indoors on high pollution days can make a big difference. Research can be more accurate, and and it supports the idea that reducing pollution can improve both environmental and human health over time. This shows that taking action now can lead to a long-term benefits for community. But the most important question is why should we act now? The answer is simple. If we do nothing, the problem will be only get worse over time. More pollution means more health problems, higher medical costs, lower quality of life. However, if we take action today, we can protect our health and create a better future for the next generation. In conclusion, air pollution in Imperial Valley is caused by environmental and human factors, has serious health impacts, and requires immediate attention. Improving air quality is not just an option, it is a necessity. I encourage to all of us to become more aware, support solutions, and take steps to protect our community because clean air is not a luxury. It is something we all deserve. Thank you.